Hey guys, now in this video I'm going to show you how you can restrict or disable mentions on your Threads account. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So Threads app allows you to restrict who can mention you. You can either disable this feature or restrict to specific people. To do this, open your Threads account. So I'll go to my app here, open it, and then tap on this profile icon. From your app profile, head to these two lines here and then go down to privacy. Under privacy, look for tags and mentions, and under it you can see we have here allow mentions. From here you can now choose who can mention you to link your profile in their threads, replies, as well as bio. And you're told when people try to mention you, they'll see you don't allow mention if you have chosen so. So currently it is set to everyone, which means anyone can mention you, whether they are your followers or not. They'll be able to mention you. You can restrict this only to profiles you follow, like that, or you can disable this feature by choosing none. So if you choose none, it means no one will be able to mention you. So that's how you can restrict or disable mentions on your Threads app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.